We smoked him a little bit, dude. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. We smoked him a little bit, dude. You might want to let him play low frequency to cool off.
The wire ain't perfect, but it's...
Okay. Yes, sir. Can I see the back? Triple baffle. Wow. Do you know the tuning on it?
Not off the top of my head.
Probably around 36 or so. I don't know.
It likes, I think it's around 32, 33.
Okay. Very nice. Awesome. What's your name? What's in here, man?
My name's Chris. It's 2 Sundown ZB515s on a JP63.
Okay. Oh, the amp's on the side. Okay.
Yeah, the JP's on that side, and the amps for the doors are on my side.
Okay. How big is the box?
It's
you know.
I think it's like 10 cubes. I think.
Okay, that's all right. Did you build it?
My buddy actually, the other one up there you were talking with.
Yeah.
He designed it. And I had a we designed it.
Do you know the port tuning or tunings at all?
It's they're the 8-inch ports, I think.
Okay.
8-inch ports, 20 inch long.
22. Okay, got it. Perfect. Looks good.
Oh, yeah.
Are you happy with it?
Yeah, I'm happy. It's not finished. We put it in so we get everything clean.
Yeah.
Somewhat broken in.
Okay.
Ruckus.
Yes, sir. A lot of roof work too.
Yeah. Just trying to overtake the car.
Yeah. Okay. And the doors look good.
Yeah.
What were on the doors?
They're it's a 3K per 4/8.
Okay.
The window has a 3K in the store, and the horns are sharing a 1200.
Okay.
So.
Sorry for the questions. I just don't get to see this often. This is nice.
Yeah. So I got to put bracing in the
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Brace, so.
Nice.
And the windshield moves a lot, so we got to put it on.
Yeah, I'm saying I'm surprised this hasn't cracked yet. Have you had any issues with the windshield at all?
So far, not yet. Hopefully, it stays.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it if you got a song or two. Awesome.
Making woofers slap and rookies tap. It's DJ Rusticles.
pretty good for a no-wall hatchback. I know you said it's still work in progress, but
We got still.
hey, have a good day, man. Thank you for showing me.
Oh yeah.
That was fun.